Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add, edit, and delete user or stuff in Walico Admin. To do that, you will have to go to the Manage User screen under School Management. Once you are redirected to the page, you can click on Add User and then fill in the user or staff details. If you notice here, there is a checkbox for Walico Apps Access. If you want to give this user access to use Walico Admin and Walico Class, then you can check on this checkbox. But if you don't want the user to have the access, then you can just leave it blank. Thus, user 321 will be given the access to Walico applications. So I will be ticking on this checkbox. You can also see that the user role field here is restricted, which means that once you have added the user, you will have to go to the Map User Role screen and map the role to the user. Now I will save the user data by clicking on Save. You will see a pop-up for user added successfully, and you can see the default password and a message to map the user to a role. Click on OK. Now let's search if the user has been added successfully by searching for the name. You can see that test user 321 has been added to Walico Admin. This page also allows you to edit the user data by clicking on the edit icon here, and you can update or edit the data. For example, I'm updating the phone number. Once done, make sure to save it. User details updated successfully, click on OK. The Manage User screen also allows you to delete the staff or user data. You can search for their name. For example, I'm deleting a task user. And once I find the right name, test user 000, can click on the delete icon here. And you will see there are two fields here. One is for the reason for delete if you want to delete the user data. And the other one is roles for delete. You can use the roles for delete if the user is mapped to different roles in Walico Admin. But here, for example, I will just be deleting the user or the staff data. So I will only be selecting the reason for delete. So for example, this user has resigned. So I will be clicking on resign as the reason for delete and then click on delete user. User deleted successfully, click on OK. Now if we search for the user, we can no longer see the user on the list. Okay, and that is how to add, edit, and delete the user or the staff in Walico Admin.